Each year, enough rain falls on Earth to cover vast continents in meters of water, a truly staggering amount. Imagine the immense volume, cascading from the clouds, soaking every corner of the globe, replenishing the soil and filling rivers everywhere. This astonishing rainfall is not just a statistic, it's a testament to the power and abundance of our planet's water cycle. This endless movement of water is what keeps our planet alive. From the moment a raindrop falls, it begins a journey, flowing through streams, nourishing forests, and eventually returning to the sky to begin the cycle again. It's a dance that never stops, sustaining every living thing. Rain isn't just water falling from the sky, it's the lifeblood of our world, nourishing plants, animals, and people everywhere. It brings joy to children splashing in puddles and relief to parched fields and forests. Every drop is a promise of growth and renewal. It fills rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, making life possible and landscapes lush. After a heavy rain, you can see the transformation. Dry riverbeds come alive, lakes brim with new water, and entire ecosystems awaken, teeming with life. Without rain, Earth would be barren, more like Mars than the vibrant world we know. Imagine a world without green forests, flowing rivers, or the songs of birds after a storm. Rain is what sets our planet apart, turning deserts into oases and dust into life. Rain shapes mountains, carves canyons, and cleans the air. Over centuries, it sculpts the land, creating valleys and nourishing the earth. Even in cities, rain washes away dust and refreshes the air we breathe. It connects oceans, land, and sky in a never-ending cycle. The journey of a raindrop links continents and climates, reminding us that everything on Earth is connected by water's eternal flow. So next time you hear raindrops, remember, you're listening to the heartbeat of our planet. That gentle rhythm is a song of life, echoing through forests, cities, and every corner of the world. Rain is the engine that keeps Earth alive, fueling the cycles of nature and ensuring that life continues to flourish, season after season. Many imagine clouds as sponges, soaking up water and squeezing it out as rain. But the truth is far more fascinating and complex than that simple picture. In reality, clouds are made of countless tiny water droplets or ice crystals, each so small and light that they float effortlessly in the air, drifting high above us. Rain forms when these droplets bump into each other, merging and growing larger. Eventually, they become heavy enough to overcome the air's resistance and begin their journey down to Earth as raindrops. Most of the rain that falls on land actually starts its journey in the vast oceans. When the sun heats the ocean surface, only pure water vapor rises into the sky, leaving behind salt and minerals. This endless movement of water is called the water cycle. It's a closed system, meaning water is constantly changing form, evaporating, condensing, and falling as rain, but it never truly disappears from our planet. However, climate change is now shifting where and how much it rains. Some places get more rain, others face droughts, making the balance of this cycle more important than ever for life on Earth. And here's a surprising fact. Every single raindrop forms around a tiny particle, like dust, pollen, or even volcanic ash. Without these microscopic seeds, raindrops couldn't take shape. So, each drop of rain is a tiny miracle, born from invisible vapor, a speck of dust, and the endless dance of water in our atmosphere. The water cycle is Earth's ultimate recycling system, powered by the sun. It's a process that has been happening for billions of years, quietly shaping our planet and making life possible. Without it, there would be no rivers, no lakes, and no rain to nourish the land. Sunlight heats oceans, lakes, and rivers, turning water into invisible vapor, evaporation. This transformation is the first step in a remarkable journey as water leaves the surface and begins to travel through the sky. This vapor rises high into the atmosphere where cooler temperatures cause it to condense into tiny droplets, forming clouds that drift across the sky. These clouds are like floating reservoirs, holding water above our heads. Inside clouds, droplets collide and merge, growing heavier with each encounter. The process is invisible to us, but it's happening constantly, building the raindrops that will soon fall to Earth. It takes about 1 million cloud droplets to make one raindrop. Each drop is a tiny miracle, formed from countless collisions and merges within the cloud. When droplets get too heavy, gravity pulls them down as rain, precipitation. This is how water returns to the ground, refreshing the earth and filling rivers and lakes. Rainwater nourishes the land, flows into rivers, and eventually returns to the ocean, ready to begin the cycle again. This endless movement connects every part of our world. The cycle repeats endlessly, sustaining life everywhere. From the smallest plant to the largest animal, all depend on this incredible system. Every raindrop is part of this ancient, beautiful journey, a reminder of nature's power and the interconnectedness of all living things. Why do rainforests get drenched while deserts stay dry? It's all about geography and temperature. Coastal areas get more rain thanks to nearby oceans, while warm regions near the equator see the most rainfall. Cold polar air holds little moisture, making those regions dry, even if they're icy. Mountains force moist air to rise, cool, and rain on one side, leaving the other side dry, a rain shadow. Global winds move moisture around, shaping each region's unique climate. These patterns explain why every place on Earth has its own relationship with rain. Let's recap. Rain is the result of a powerful planet-wide cycle that purifies water, shapes landscapes, and sustains life. The water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, connects every corner of Earth. Geography and temperature create our world's diverse climates, from lush forests to arid deserts. Understanding rain helps us protect water forests and our future. Every raindrop is a reminder of our connection to the planet and each other. The story of rain is the story of life, and it never ends.